You are worthy of it all. Jesus, for from you are all things, and to you are all things. God, you deserve the glory.
Once again, all our voices declare, Lord,
You are worthy of it all.
kung ano man po yung mga bagay na meron tayo ngayon,
You are worthy
balik po natin
of
po kay
it
Lord.
all.
Alam po, this moment, ito po yung moment na nakaka-isip tayo na, oo nga, Lord, yung mga bagay po na nangyari sa akin lately, yung mga bagay na meron ako, lahat pala ng Panginoon sa'yo. Lord, you deserve the glory. This is all yours, God. You are worthy of it all.
For from you are all things, and to you are all things. God, you deserve the glory.